was hoping to do our subscriber giveaway on today's video, but as you saw, we kind of got snowed in today, and so I haven't been able to go buy the fun stuff that we're gonna do for our giveaway. So hopefully our next video we will be able to do that. We will keep you posted. Merry Vlogmas! As you can see, today is another, what, Bria?
Snow day!
Snow day. This is our 4th snow day in a row. Well, we had 3 days off last week. Then we had the weekend where it did not snow. Sunday night, we got hit with another giant dumping of snow, and so school is canceled again today, Monday. So what are we gonna do today since we're stuck inside, Bria?
Sew.
We are going to sew. My mother-in-law, the kid's grandma, not the one you've seen in our videos. This is my husband's mom. She sent the kids some really cute Christmas fabric to make Christmas pillowcases. Bria's made them before with grandma, right? Mm-hmm. So she's gonna help, and she's gonna do a lot of the sewing herself. I am not a craft vlogger, blogger, sewing person, but we're gonna try to show you the best of my ability how we put these cute pillowcases together. It's actually super easy. There's a tutorial from the Missouri Star Quilt Company on how to do these, and I will link that in the show description also, so you can go see a proper tutorial versus just what we show, but we're gonna do our best, right?
Right.
Bria, what also did Grandma send you in our package?
This little unicorn, and it's tape measure. It really snaps my fingers all the time.
Well, push a button.
Ow!
All right, let's get to sewing. We had some boys find us. Wesley is gonna show us a trick. Very nice.
Can I do a trick?
Okay, here comes Lincoln next.
It's gonna be a pull over back hip circle.
Let's see. You did it! Nice work. My sewing area is here in a corner of our basement, and then I think we might have shown in another video that then we just have some gymnastics equipment down here for the kids to practice on. Help get their energy out when we're trapped inside.
Pew, pew, pew.
Okay, that's not for kids, right?
Pew, pew, pew.
I pre-cut out our fabric, but Bria is going to show us how wide our strips need to be. We're using 3 different fabrics. This first green one is how wide, Bria?
It is 3 inches.
It's actually 2 inches because there's 3 of them. You're just measuring from there to there. 2 inches wide, and just the length of the fabric when it comes folded on the bolt. This one here is, scoot this down, it starts at 0. And across, what number?
9 inches.
9 inches wide.
Oh,
And look how cute this Grinch fabric is.
It is.
Our kids love
20.
Grinch.
28 inches.
It's 27 inches wide.
It was 28.
So that's the first 3 cuts we need to make. The next thing I haven't done yet is that we need to cut off the selvage ends of each of the fabrics. So we're gonna do that real quick.
Selvage end.
All right, what are you gonna do, Link?
We're gonna play double catch. 3, 2, 1.
Oh, try again.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, please don't get it near my equipment.
3, 2, 1.
Okay, one more try.
3, 2, 1.
Okay.
I'm not ready.
Okay, get ready.
Oh, yeah.
Last one, last one, last one.
1, 2, 3.
So close. Okay, the next step is our 2 smaller fabrics need to be sewn lengthwise. Not sewn, ironed lengthwise in half. So we are going to do that now. Our gymnastics bar has turned into our lovely fabric holder. So we are now going to show you how to lay out the fabrics to do the pillowcase. I'm just going to show the display of 1, but we are going to be making 3 for the 3 redheads. This is the most flat space surface I have here, so we're just going to do it here. The middle-sized piece is going to be opened up after we ironed it and laying face up. Next is our pillow fabric, the main pillowcase part. Is also going to go face up on top. We're gonna stop and match up the edges.
Yeah. See how matched up they are? Yeah, so great.
Thank you, Bria. And last, this is our little trim piece here. This stays folded, and Bria, help me. We're gonna put the raw edges also at the top, right here. And then here comes the fun part.
The fun part?
We get to roll this up like a burrito.
I want to.
Okay, get it from the edge right here, and just help me roll, nice and slow. Is this how you did it when you did it with Grandma?
No.
No?
I don't think we made a burrito.
We're gonna roll to here. And then we bring this edge up, bring it to the raw edges, and we are going to pin all of these edges together.
I'll go get pins.
That's where our first seam is gonna
I'll
go.
go.
Grandma knows that Bria loves what?
Unicorns.
So she found her these cute unicorn sewing pins, and so we're gonna use those. Okay, that took some time just because I'm slow. But there's our tube, and we're going to take it to the sewing machine.
Make sure you pin through all the fabrics so you can see the pin right there.
We are going to sew this down on a 1/4 inch seam. I'm going to get it started and then let Bria take over. So we'll see if we can get this set up
I don't know how to do
decently.
I've never used your machine before, though. Never used your machine before. And also, I never used that machine before, so I don't know. Okay, bye.
All right, come on in, Bria.
Oh, my turn.
Have a seat. Turn it, the speed down a little. Have a seat. Okay, hold it straight in your lap.
Straight.
Can you reach the presser foot? I mean the foot pedal?
No.
Pull it out more. Or scoot your chair in.
So, do I
Scoot your
guide
chair
it?
in.
So, do I guide it? Or are you gonna guide it?
We both will. Go. You can go faster.
No, I like it slow.
You can go faster. 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 Guide it with your hands up here.
I thought I was supposed to take out pins.
Yeah, you probably should, but...
And only get that part that isn't the pin, right? What are pins for?
You just saw what the pins are for. They hold the fabric together. Okay, stop. I'm gonna pull this one out. Wait, you see you're going diagonal? So we gotta straighten it out.
This fabric's so soft. I'm just scared we're gonna run over another.
Faster.
Mommy, your finger.
I know how to move it. Okay, stop.
Take out the pin.
Okay, so now we've got our tube sewn. Lovely tube.
Is it a loud tube? Ah!
No. We are going to show.
How to unfold it.
Let's see. Stick your arm in there.
Arm.
Pull.
My arm doesn't fit.
Okay, well, grab it with your hand.
Let's grab this.
Hold on, hold on. I don't want you ripping things. Come closer.
Oh, yeah, okay. I think I know what I'm doing.
Well, we're basically like
Retubing it.
inciting it out. Keep pulling. Turn this way. Oh!
I think
No,
I hear.
okay. Grab just that part. Do you see how cute it's turning out though? Okay. It's starting to come. There. Okay, so here we go. This is our
Blanket!
gonna be our pillowcase, and this is how cute our trim turned out. It's our little trim piece, and when we do it that tube way, you don't have any exposed seams on either side, so it just looks nice and clean. So now we have our pillow folded right sides together, and we're gonna pin around the two raw edges and sew those up, and that's gonna create our pillowcase. The one thing that we're gonna need to do is watch to make sure these seams here line up nicely so that it's nice and smooth. Okay, we've got it all pinned together, and we are going to sew around those two sides. We will show you how it looks after. All right, we've got it sewn up. Don't be grossed out by my terrible ironing board that needs a new cover. I am gonna take this to my serger, which I have over here. I love this thing. I just have not set it up since we moved here or threaded it. So that's gonna take me a minute to do. But serging the edges here is going to just make it so that you don't have these frayed fabrics and stuff like that.
That was
But
fun.
we are going to inside it out or right side it out.
And that was fun.
See how it looks.
Fun.
Puppy, you liked it?
Yeah.
All right, come here, Bria. Let's see how it turned out.
Huh? Whoa. How did you do that?
Okay, move the dog. Come show your pillowcase. Say we're all done.
We're all done.
Hold it lower. Great work. Here we go. Is it comfy?
Yeah.
It's so cute.
Smell my face.
No, thank you. Thanks for watching our video. We have had just a quiet snow day inside. Well, I've got to do a lot of fun snow chores outside. I think it's time for a little rest. Bria?
If you want more crafting and sewing videos, let us know in the comments.
Subscribe to Redheads in Alaska. Smash that like button with your pickaxe or sword.
Great idea. See you on our next video.
Bye.
Bye.
Let me see. Bye.
Wait, Mom, comment down below if you like this video.
Comment